Hello! Today, we're taking a look at Tesla Supplier Portal and how companies use the system to handle supplier-related operations online. This platform gives approach suppliers access to business tools, account services, and company information through a secure dashboard. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more portal and business-related content. Many suppliers use the Tesla Supplier Portal to upload documents, review and purchasing information, and manage company records connected to their supplier account. The system is designed to keep supplier communication and business activities organized in one location. Another important part of the platform is account access. Suppliers log into Tesla Supplier Portal using their assigned credit alias through the official portal page. After signing, users can access supplier resources, company notices, and account-related tools connected to their business profile. New suppliers usually complete the account registration process before receiving portal access. Company details, supplier information, and contact data are commonly required during setup. After approval, suppliers can begin using the available platform features and account services. The Tesla Supplier Portal may also provide access to procurement updates, supplier requirements, and digital business documents. Many companies rely on online supplier systems because they simplify communication and reduce manual paperwork during supplier operations. Thanks for watching this video about Tesla Supplier Portal. If you want more videos about supplier systems, online business platforms, and company portals, make sure you subscribe for future updates.